Okay. My name is Jonathan. My name is Chisom Jonathan. I'm reporting from Iwele, Study and Resource Center, Enugu State of Nigeria and West Africa. Nigeria teenagers and early marriage. It has caused many things in our country today, like poverty, looking for material things, uneducated parents. And as well, it has caused many things. It has led to many things. It has result many things to our youths, like being exposed to violence, too many children not well directed by their parents, lack of grammarization of marriage. So I'm asking the country, as in people outside and inside the country, to help us, maybe by giving our youths free education. At least that will help us to know where we're heading to. Reports from Chisom Jonathan. Thanks.